purpose of the program is to provide first-year students a 2-semester faculty-mentored research internship in a STEM-related laboratory at Penn State.
To be a great mentor, you have to truly care about the success of the person that you're mentoring.
The way the program is set up, that you have a mentor and you have people directly working with you, kind of guiding you and helping you, but also letting you do your own thing. I think that was really, really valuable.
The Wiser MURE FURP program helps improve the representation in STEM because it recruits students that are traditionally underrepresented in STEM fields.
I went to a high school that was a predominantly white school. I found myself oftentimes alone, either just as a Black student or a female student. I feel like programs like this are very important because it creates a bridge and lets you build a mentor kind of network, and also just the ability to build skills so that you gain confidence.
I think the programs are super important, especially for women and other minorities in STEM. I know within my major there are maybe 7 girls out of 40.
Especially looking historically, there are a lot of minorities and women who had scientific discoveries that weren't accredited to them. It's important that we get the same opportunities in research, and then our voices get heard the same as others.
The program definitely helped me to get more acclimated and kind of feel okay, I can do this, I'm good at this. Especially getting those research opportunities that you might not have otherwise, especially so early on, is super important.
We see students that are fairly nervous to join a Research 1 school laboratory, and then by the end of the program, you see them give a presentation at our symposium, and they're standing up, they're confident. They surprise themselves with what they can accomplish.
I feel like I definitely came out of it with so much more knowledge than I started with.
Putting almost a year's worth of work into 2 minutes, I had no idea even where to start, but it ended up being really fun.
I had a good time. I enjoyed hearing other people's projects.
Doing undergraduate research is a really good way for preparing for something like graduate schools. Just that process of learning about the research process itself. Students that have hands-on research experience will really have a leg up because they have gone through the process of learning about how to actually do research.